Hello traders, once again, this is our second video analysis for today. This is because I saw some interesting opportunity and I wanted to share that with you. And this is for the US oil. What we might be having is an extreme, fast and strong move to the downside. But before we get started, as usual, I would like to remind you that all the information is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow all the videos we're doing every single day. And as you can see, we're doing 1, 2 and sometimes even 3 videos every single day. So subscribe and get notified every day. Let's get started with the US oil price action. I would like to move to the daily time frame first. If we look at the daily, right there is the very strong resistance area. Now moving to weekly and zooming it in, we can see that this resistance area is holding, and we have been rejecting both moving averages, simple and exponential. So this validates the long-term downtrend, which I still do expect on the US oil. I think it will go substantially down, although there is a closer support level to watch. So back to the 4-hour time frame, and here what we can see is the rejection, very clean rejection of the 23.6 fibs resistance at 42.17 level. This fibs was applied to the last wave to the upside. You all know that I do like these last waves to use my fibs. So clean rejection, then we had the spike produced, price failed to close above the spike, meaning that this resistance is holding and sellers are defending this level. Now in regards to the upside, look, there was a clean rejection of the 50 simple moving average, which is actually a bullish sign. But considering that we had this spike, I think unless we manage to break and close above this high, this still will remain a potential bearish scenario. So while price might be going up, might continue going up, at the moment, considering this clean rejection and the spike failing to break and close above the resistance, I think there is a huge potential for the downside. During this and maybe sometime next week, I think there will be this breakout to the downside. But how far price can actually go? I have applied fibs to this overall move to the downside and I have 23.6 level at 36.00. So this is the support that I would expect to be tested, although price might be reaching this level. So if we put the support area, it's slightly higher. We should be hitting this support. And according to the average price downtrend trend line, which I have here, it might be getting there by the end of this month. So this will be a very, very sharp move to the downside. If there will be one, it should be similar to this one. Very fast decline towards this support, but of course it may not be testing this average price downtrend trend line, and price could be consolidating further. Although as long as it remains below 42.44, especially the daily closing price, which is the most important, this will remain bearish. You can see this clean rejection of the fibs. So I have applied another fibs to this correction, and we have 552 nearly exactly corresponding to 36.00 support level. So 36 level is the psychological level as well, confirmed by 2 fibs, and it's likely to get tested sometime during the next couple of weeks. So this could be a very strong and fast downside move on the US oil. So that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it, but let's just quickly go through all the previously made analysis since we already did it today. Canadian Japanese yen slowly but steadily down. Dollar Canadian corrected down, but we can see that the moving average is being rejected. Price produced a spike but failed to close below. So this moving average is the support. It still remains bullish, and I think in the worst case scenario we might produce spike below but still will remain bullish. Euro versus dollar still at the resistance. At some point in time, I think it will be going down. This could also be a fast move. Pound dollar produced clearly a double top, so still bearish as long as this resistance holds. Australian dollar slowly starting to move down as expected, but this is the daily time frame where we expect the uptrend. Now to the forward chart, if we move, there was a break below both moving averages, simple and exponential, and now we are rejecting this simple moving average. So this could be now the starting point for this downtrend. Australian Japanese yen slowly steadily is going down. Australian Swiss franc also slowly steadily approaching our support. Silver, I don't think it will hold the support, although we must watch it for the breakout or further rejection. But as long as this high holds, this resistance, it will remain bearish. So selling opportunities here, I think, will be the priority, especially considering we have the key resistance at this level because it was previously support 24.20. Maybe we will retest them and then going down. So overall, if we break this resistance, maybe silver will continue moving up. Pound versus Swiss franc, the final one, bearish, of course. We can expect the spike above 21, 22 level possible, but in order to invalidate it, we need to close above that on the daily time frame. But before that, that will remain bearish. I do expect this ABC correction, as I have already mentioned. US oil analysis, sharp downside move. That is all what expected up until the point we break above this high of 42.44. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to follow all our analysis, live trade examples, as well as all educational videos. We have them loads every week, so don't miss out and click that notification bell as well. Thank you all for watching, and till tomorrow.